Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Zacconi baby Riviera. It came into the shop because of some leakage and electrical failure. There was some burnt electrical wires under here, um, as you can see here, and then the actual safety thermostat, the high limit thermostat, was actually broken, and it kind of fell apart as I was taking it out. So we rewired the electronics. Um, Additionally, I did a tune-up on the machine due to its age, and the state of some of the gaskets in there. As you can see, these are the main brew piston gaskets. You can see there's this large gouge here that was causing some leaks through the group head. Also, during the whole process, we replaced some of these are the boiler gaskets. And then I also replaced the heating element gasket. Here's one of the gaskets for the steam assembly. It's really hard and crumbly. And here are the old sight glass gaskets. So after doing a full tune-up, I also cleaned up the machine a little bit, cleaned out the group head. Now it should be functioning normally. As you can see, the machine is on. It's also has a new gauge on here, and you can see it's about 1.2 bar. And it's staying there. So all I'm going to do is do a test shot right here. We don't have this machine calibrated or anything, so if it comes out a little too fast, a little too slow, that's just a matter of dialing it in. So here we go. But yeah, there you have it. And that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.